Good morning, friends, subscribers, and followers. May kasabihan talaga na you cannot judge by its cover, you know? You cannot judge anybody by its cover. You cannot judge anything by its cover. Kasi na lang kaning akong saging, oh. Akala mo sira yung saging kasi yung balat maitim na. Bakit kaya nag-itim yan mga langga? Kasi galing po yun sa ref. Niref ko po yan kaya para hindi po madali masira. Kaya nangitim lang po yung balat. Pero ang loob po, nakikita naman ninyo, still fresh. Pero kasi nga overripe na, I have an idea na gawain na lang siyang kwan. Yung parang banana candy. So we just add the sugar on it and then boil it. But first of that, we have to cut it into small pieces. Ganyan yung ginawa ko mga langga. O, ikakat muna natin into small pieces. Pero talagang okay pa ang saging. Nakikita naman ninyo. And then you have to add brown sugar. If you don't have any brown sugar, any sugar will do. So, and then 1 cup of brown sugar, 1 cup of water. So, ang ginawa ko is 1:1. So, nakikita naman ninyo, nagbo-boiled na siya. And low heat lang mga langga. Huwag nyo i-overcook kasi para in ko ang pagkaluto ng ating saging. Mas masarap kasi yung dahan-dahan lang ang pagkaluto kaysa yung malakas yung apoy and then suddenly yung loob ng saging medyo matigas kasi hilaw. Pero ang ginawa ko po, inin lang, yung dahan-dahan lang, low temperature lang para maganda ang pagkaluto. Kasi nakikita nyo na mga langga, parang nag-caramelize na yung ating sugar. This is it. Thank you guys for watching. Bye-bye.